Mick is in the house. Oh, you got no sunglasses, Mick.
Oh, yeah, I do. Hang on.
Well, let me just don't want to. Derek, what are you laughing
Yeah,
about?
it's my safety glasses.
Safety. That Mick's in the house.
I'm trying to peel the sticker off. It could get dangerous. I gotta have my
Yeah.
glasses on. You never
These
know.
stickers are something else, man. I'll tell you. Who puts stickers on like this? And when we got the first leaf spring in. Look at that. First leaf spring's in. Derek's the master at this. Second leaf spring's going in now. And boy, that first one hit was. It's not meant to be easy. Is that right? They make it so it's extremely. Oh, Jesus. I can pretty guarantee you.
What are the odds?
I can pretty much guarantee you this isn't coming out.
Ever.
It's not gonna fall off. That's for damn
This
sure.
truck will probably go to the junker before this ever needs to be done.
Yeah, this is
We're
wicked.
talking like decades from now.
And then my boys at Rock Auto, I'm gonna order some shocks tonight, so I can get my sticker. Right, Derek?
That's right.
Gotta have your stickers.
Where's the other two U-bolts?
I don't know. We painted them. Hanging up, bud.
Oh, yes. That's where they'll be.
Once you get the sledge.
Hey. Jesus. It's in there, Derek. I think you gotta hold it.
Fuck that.
I was
Dan,
thinking-
Johnny, you hold it.
Well, I was gonna hold it with the vice grip or the Jawlocks.
What is that, a bushing?
Yeah.
That bushing is freaking bushing in there.
Well, it's all, because the other one, that was all rusted, right?
She's bushed.
I'm surprised that we
Here,
can't
let me
get
back
more.
at her. That was better. I don't want to be that guy that you said you once knew.